I started as a retail sales associate, so this is a great story that it really doesn't matter what age you want to start a new career at, especially through this company.
So when I joined Firestone Complete Auto Care, I had an instant passion for cars, relating from childhood, growing up around cars. My dad was mechanical.
The best part of my job is what's standing right behind me right now. It's the everyday operation. The atmosphere here is amazing. The morale is amazing. The teamwork is top notch. Sets the standards high for a job to work for.
When you become part of the Firestone Complete Auto Care company, it's not just a company. It is family.
What drew me to wanting to work for the company is the training and advancement opportunities. And slowly through that training, that's what helped me move up to where I am now as a store manager.
It's about the reward at the end. It's seeing the customer with a smile on their face and the keys in their hand, and they get in their car and they drive away with no warning lights on, their tires fixed, and they're just, overall, we made their day.
Knowing that every car that rolls out of here every day is the safest car on the road makes me feel better and I can sleep at night.
Mechanical knowledge is preferable, but not necessary. Anybody who's encouraged by customer service or wants to help, that is the biggest thing, is that you have to be ready to help, because everybody who walks through the door needs help. They want their employees to be the best. They want to provide top-notch service. They want top-notch employees who are quick on their feet, ready to learn, ready to work, and eager to earn.
Once we started the signing bonus at Firestone Complete Auto Care, it's put better talent in front of us. It's put career-minded individuals in front of us that are willing to give us a commitment as much as we're willing to commit to them.